Hello guys, so as you can see this is my first YouTube video. In this video I'm not gonna do gaming video or reaction video. I'm gonna talk about coronavirus or COVID-19. But first let me introduce myself. My name is Rico Antonio Leonardo Saragi. I'm a chemical engineering student from Semarang State University. Without further ado, let's do this. Before we talk about COVID-19, I'm gonna tell you what is the table of contents or agenda in this video. First, I'm gonna talk about what is COVID-19, some general explanation about COVID-19. Second, I'm gonna talk about diagnosis. And last one, I'm gonna talk about treatment and prevention. I'm gonna tell you what is COVID-19. Coronavirus disease or COVID-19 is an infectious disease caused by newly discovered coronavirus. Most people who infected with the COVID-19 virus will experience mild to moderate respiratory illness and recover without any special treatment. First, we're gonna talk about some general explanation or the history of COVID-19. So, COVID-19 is first identified in December 2019 in Wuhan, China, and has since spread globally, resulting in an ongoing pandemic. Also in Indonesia, this COVID-19 has become a pandemic. As of 31st of May 2020, more than 6.20 million cases have been reported across 188 countries, and resulting more than 372,000 deaths, and more than 2.64 million people have recovered from COVID-19. Now, most people who fall sick with COVID-19 will experience mild symptoms to moderate symptoms and recover without any special treatment. Now, I'm gonna tell you what are the symptoms of COVID-19. First is fever. So, anyone with high temperature of 37.8 degrees Celsius or more is advised to self-isolate in home or in hospital. Secondly, dry cough. So, irritation and constant coughing without expelling any mucus. Thirdly, tiredness. So, the body will feel completely tired and will have no energy to perform normal tasks. The last one is difficulty breathing or chest pain. So breathing actually feels more difficult than usual. So if you feel this, you need to seek medical attention or go to hospital as fast as you can. But guys, you need to remember that there are a few people that infected with COVID-19 but they don't show any symptoms of COVID-19. In here we call it asymptomatic people. So many people infected with COVID-19 show mild symptoms, especially during the first stage of the disease. Thus, you can still catch the disease from an infected person who only has a mild cough and does not feel ill. Now we're gonna talk about diagnosis of COVID-19. So there are three ways to diagnose COVID-19. First is rapid test to detect antibodies, IgM and IgG produced by the body to fight the coronavirus. Secondly, swab test or PCR, polymerase chain reaction test, to detect coronavirus in our sputum. Thirdly, CT scan or chest X-ray, to detect infiltrates or fluids in the lungs. A positive COVID-19 rapid test is most likely to indicate that you have indeed been infected with the coronavirus, but it could also mean you are infected with a germ or another virus. Otherwise, a negative COVID-19 rapid test result does not necessarily indicate that you are absolutely free from COVID-19. So you better do a swab test or PCR to make sure you have a COVID-19 or not. Now we're gonna talk about treatment and prevention of COVID-19. For your info guys, until now there are no specific vaccines or medicines for COVID-19. Treatment are under investigation and will be tested through clinical trials. Secondly, remember to self-care. And thirdly, if you feel sick, you should rest, drink plenty of fluid, and eat nutritious food. And fourth, stay in separate room from other family members. Clean and disinfect frequently touched surfaces. And last one, everyone should keep a healthy lifestyle at home, maintain a healthy diet, sleep, and stay active. Now we're gonna talk about the most important thing, which is how do we prevent the COVID-19. So, first thing that you need to know, you need to wash your hands regularly with soap and water, or clean them with alcohol-based hand rub. Second is you need to cover your mouth and nose when coughing or sneezing with your bent elbow or a tissue. The third, you need to always wear a mask when in public places and avoid touching your face. Fourth, you need to practice physical distancing and staying away from large group of people and maintain at least 1 meter distance between you and people who coughing or sneezing. Fifth, you need to stay at home as much as you can and avoiding unnecessary travel. And the last one is you need to follow the direction of your national or local health authorities. As we are Indonesian, so we need to follow Indonesian government regulations. Okay guys, so now we are at the end of this video. Thank you so much for watching this video, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. So I'll keep reminding you to stay safe and stay healthy, and peace.